Welcome to Cook, Learn, Grow Online. I'm Chef Lori Hines, and it is my privilege to share with you what Cook, Learn, Grow is doing. Since 2013, we have been teaching children to cook in local after-school classes and summer camps. Now we are offering our program online through cooking lesson videos. Our mission always has been and always will be to use cooking as a platform to teach children invaluable life skills that give self-confidence, independence, and creativity. It is our honor and our privilege to use cooking lessons to bring families together in the kitchen. Our cooking lessons are led by a dedicated team of professional children's cooking instructors who all love to share their passion for cooking and food and teach children. Our online classes are offered to you in a subscription model, either through monthly or annual subscription. Our monthly subscription offers offers access to a library of cooking class videos. Our annual subscription offers you access to a library of cooking lesson videos, plus one free month, plus one free live cooking class per month. That's 12 free cooking classes, live cooking classes a year. And you're able to choose from 3 age groups, a library of cooking videos for ages 5 to 7, one to ages 8 to 10, and one for ages 11 plus. So little chef, junior chef, and teen chefs. Our online classes are offered to you at a fraction of the cost of a local in-person class or camp. Right now, the pricing is a limited time promo pricing, so we would invite you to take advantage of that while it's still available. You can consider Cook, Learn, Grow's online classes the Netflix of kids cooking shows. We are excited to share this with you, and we hope that you subscribe today and enjoy cooking with your children along with Cook, Learn, Grow. Thanks so much. Happy cooking.